Hey, what's going on everyone? My name is Sherwin and I'm losing my voice and my asthma's flaring up, but I'm doing this video because we are here in the San Bernardino Rivian Adventure Network with better and optimal conditions, I guess. We are currently sitting at 80 degrees battery temps. We took a trip to Las Vegas and this is after the trip. I wanted to record this and just document just better conditions for charging. We are currently sitting at 71 miles or 21% state of charge. We're going to be charging to 85% and we're going to just see what kind of numbers we're getting. We sort of have a full house here. We got two R1Ts next to me and two R1Ss over there, but I'm not sure if that's going to affect anything. It might. These are 300 kilowatt speeds, but when you do plug in, I think you end up sharing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug in and we're gonna see what kind of numbers we're gonna get right now. I am in the same circuit as the R1T next to me, so we're gonna go and see. Okay, so right now we are at 149 kilowatt in speed at 21% state of charge, 150. Again, these are capable of doing 300 kilowatt in speed, so I don't know how it's impacting him and how deep he is in his state of charge, but we're getting over 200. Oh, he is leaving. He just left, so I have all of it to myself, so that's pretty cool. I have turned off the HVAC and yeah, 212 kilowatt in speed, 22% state of charge. So we'll see what these numbers look like because our Las Vegas numbers weren't looking that great. If you haven't checked out that video or if I haven't released it, do wait for it because I don't know. I'm all over the place with these videos, but that's okay. We are gonna be here for quite some time. So I'm gonna go ahead and check out these things that Rivian has sent. It is not sponsored content and it's not what you think it is, but the way what happened is, so this box right here are the all-weather floor mats, and the reason why Rivian sent this out, if you haven't seen like my delivery video and all that, I had shared with you all that last minute they changed my delivery schedule. Like they told me the day before that they canceled or rescheduled, and I lost my original VIN and I got this VIN, and it was like all last minute, 3 days before the end of the quarter. So anyway, everything worked out and they felt bad. So the Rivian delivery team, like they hooked it up. They sent me these all-weather floor mats we're going to check out, and then next to it is the camp speaker. So if you're not aware, the Gen 2, they pretty much stripped out, unless you're getting the tri-motor or quad motor, they pretty much stripped everything out and you got to buy things piece by piece, unlike in the Gen 1. So this is the camp speaker for the Gen 2, so to speak, but they should work in Gen 1. These aren't really different from the previous ones. I gave up my Gen 1, the camp speaker I had to give up, sorta. I kept the camp speaker. All right, we are checking in, 35% state of charge, 120 kilowatt in speed, man. No one is parked near me, so I don't think, oh wait a minute, maybe, nope, he's on 2C. The R1T is on 2C and I'm on 3C. We're on a different circuit. Let me know what would you normally get at 36% state of charge, because 121 kilowatt, and it's not even that hot outside. According to the temps outside, it's 79 degrees. My Gen 1 would tear this up at 36%. We'd be like 180 to 200 kilowatt in speed. I'm trying to give optimal conditions here and this ain't optimal. Oh man, let me know if you got a Gen 2 and if this is what you're seeing. So the cam speaker you're seeing here is from my Gen 1 R1T. I kept it because I knew the Gen 2 wasn't gonna have one because I didn't configure it to have one. So I kept it, but they had a promotion where if you do a demo drive and placed an order, then you get a camp speaker. It was either this or the crossbars. I already have the crossbars, but in hindsight, since I kept the camp speaker and I wasn't planning to, it was all last minute stuff, I should have just got another set of crossbars because they were a little bit more expensive and I could have probably flipped it. But yeah, I was thinking more of if I couldn't keep the camp speaker, then this was gonna be the replacement. So I have another camp speaker. So let's go check out these floor mats. Okay, checking in again, 49% state of charge, 134 kilowatt speed, getting better, but man. All right, let's open this guy up, see what's inside. Hopefully it's the entire set, like for all 3 rows. I think it should be, I mean, but the box doesn't seem that big or that heavy. Ooh, okay. Can I just slice it up? Ta-da! Alright, let's see. Oh, it looks like just the front row and possibly the second row. I do like the color. Has the yellow accents. Or maybe it's... Alright, so we got... Check that out. It's black with the yellow Rivian logo. No, it might be all 3 rows. Hold on. Oh, no, it's not. I think it's just 2 rows. So we got the front ones right here. And looks like the second row. I wonder if this is for the R1T and not the R1S. Maybe they set the wrong ones. Or did they not come with the 3rd row? I might have to look it up on the internets. But let's go see what these look like in the front. The front ones have these right here with the what are they called, buttons or but you unclip them or unpop them and that's all you do. I actually like these, but they're not great when it's wet. I guess it could not really absorb but repel water, but it's really thin. Let's go check out the front ones. Okay, so these also have the holes in them, so you can line them up on the buttons, or I don't know what you call those, fasteners, but you just press down on them and they stay put. Oh, that's nice. Let's go look. All right, yeah. You know, one thing I'll say, even though I like the yellow, being that I have a dual motor, it would be nice to just have these like silver to match the dual motor stuff, but it's yellow. So 2nd gen, that's the tri-motor, quad motor on the 1st gen with the yellow accents. But the thing is though, these also outside have yellow accents. So even though it's a dual motor, it still has the yellow, like the yellow. So yeah, look at that. Fits pretty good. Let's go check out the driver's side. So yeah, there's still some leftover plastic right there that they didn't remove, but oh well. But yeah, these are those like buttons or clips. Is that what you call those? You just line them up in the holes. All right, here's the driver's side. Not too bad of a fit. What I like about the all-weathers is these walls on the side. So if you do spill water in there, or if you're coming in with wet boots or shoes, the water is held in place on the mats. They don't slide around and get into your other like flooring. All right, we are here in the second row, and there's 3 like buckles or fasteners. See those round ones, the circles? Yeah, we took our trip and my boys are just really messy. So what can you do? And don't talk to me about the plastic factory thing there. I'm still working on that. All right, so we're gonna put these in. Okay, maybe I should go on the other side too. Huh. I don't know if this fits. This might not be for the R1S. Hold on. Might have to contact them, because look, check this out. Okay, so they're all in, but see this circle right there? So it's supposed to line up right here, way off. Yeah, I'm gonna have to contact them. This might be for the R1T, not the R1S. Now, let me also look at the third row. See, the third row has mats too, and this didn't come with it. Interesting. Okay, so I'm gonna contact them. I'm pretty sure these are the wrong ones, but I wanted to show you. I guess what this video could have been is just to show you what the all-weather floor mats are from Rivian. They're pretty cool. They're nice. I like them. They're thick. And yeah, Rivian, if you got one for the dual motor to match like the silver, that would be awesome. But the yellow's cool, black and yellow. Because I mean, I do have like yellow accents here also, you know. All right, so maybe we'll do another video once we get that straightened away. See, as you can see, it's not the same size. It's not the same size as the non-weather floor mats. All right, so this is the passenger side. As you can see, the sizes kind of match up. So yeah, this might not be the right one. Yes, I know, I got the yellow tag still. I'm gonna remove it once the car doesn't smell new anymore, okay? All right, 75% state of charge, 85 kilowatt speed. That's the usual speed I see in my Gen 1. So as you get higher, it gets, I mean, to some extent, it just stays that way. But yeah, like 30 to like 60%, it could use a lot of improvements compared to the Gen 1. All right, let's take a quick peek at the new cab speaker. I don't know if these are new, like new as in new condition, but is there like one for Gen 2 specific? I don't believe so. But let's take these out. The packaging is nice, I like it. Look at that, check that out. Can y'all see that? But this is the new camp speaker, and look, they're pretty much the same. They work on both Gen 2 and Gen 1s, so they look the same. So I don't think there's any difference between either of these speakers. So I mean, I like free stuff. So yeah, now I got an extra camp speaker. I might get into the Rivian Club chat and see if anyone wants, if they're interested. I'll probably just give a good discount on the one that I got for the Gen 1 anyway. So if you're on Halo and you're in one of the local Rivian clubs, you know, if I do decide to post it. All right, another check-in, 84% state of charge. We are at 50 kilowatts. This is very normal because we are above 80% state of charge. You generally don't want to go above 80%. Rivian recommends 70%. Oh, looks like we think we're done. Well, that's interesting. It stopped at 84%. It had a red thing on there. It says like plug it and try again, but I don't know. Maybe the battery is... No, battery's at 121 degrees Fahrenheit. But anyway, we're at 84%. That's good enough. That's it, yeah. Yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed me showing the all-weather floor mats from Rivian. I think it's the wrong one. Hopefully you like seeing the two different cam speakers, but I don't think they're different. It's just one is from a Gen 1 and they both work for both Gen 1 and Gen 2. I don't know. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Look, we had a basketball tournament yesterday with my church friends, LOJ, Light of Jesus. Red team, we were red team. I still got... Shout out to Sis Rhea. She taped me up. I'm having issues with my shoulder. But yeah, I don't know if it's like a rotator cuff or something. And bro, Alan, thank you for checking me out, because that's one thing when you're with a group of Filipinos. You got plenty of PTs, physical therapists, or nurses. So don't be scared to get hurt, because there's always gonna be someone there. But yeah, shout out to all the people there yesterday. It was a lot of fun. Team Red came in second. We came in second at the basketball tournament. We had tacos for lunch. We should have just kept playing. Should have kept playing all the basketball games before eating lunch, but they made us eat lunch. So I don't know. Yeah, congratulations, Green Team. And overall, Team Red was in third place. So good job, everyone. That was a lot of fun. Shout out to everyone. But that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope I can shake off my little congestion and asthmatic conditions. Oh yeah. Got the AC on now. All right, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.